Give me my iPhone. This girl.
Come.
Sorry.
Give her the iPhone. Give her the iPhone. Where the iPhone?
No. Bring the iPhone. Bring the iPhone.
Collect your iPhone. Collect your iPhone.
Sorry.
Leave it. Collect your iPhone. Very good. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Pali Talker, aka Gabriel, the voice note guy. Okay, today I'm with a young, soft, sweet senior man. What's the name, bros?
Powell.
Powell.
Yes, sir. Powell.
This is your name, like a giant name.
Your giant name now.
God, I beg go. God, I beg go. People, they answer name. Anyways, Powell. Yeah. Powell met me and he said I wanted to, not prank, he wanted to gift his girlfriend something. When I asked him, he said a sewing machine. Now, if you guys remember very well, somebody brought exactly this type of sewing machine to go and give his girlfriend the last time, and the sewing machine was rejected. I'm talking to you indirectly. You should say your girlfriend will accept this.
She go take her now.
Can I tell you? I'll show you video. The guy girlfriend, in fact, she threw her for granted.
Why she no go take her?
So you're expecting she's supposed to take her normally?
She go take her now.
Because it's a sewing machine.
That's sewing machine now. She learn.
You know if she
learn the work.
Wait, let me get. Oh, send up you send her go learn this work.
Let me send her now.
Now you send your girlfriend to go learn tailoring.
Yes, sir.
But why you know you buy all those big ones then for her?
No, this one a new one.
And I want your money rich with
yes, now.
Wow. Me, I don't know what I want to talk. What's your girlfriend's name?
Amaka.
Ha! Disappointments come board. Anyways, it's fine. Since you decided to buy sewing machine for Amaka, where you dey sure say normally Amaka, I bet she never disappoint. Your own Amaka never disappoint.
No. This one will be your own.
Now will be your own. How many years are on the date?
Like 6 years now.
That's in secondary school?
Yes, so.
Bro! No wonder you fit get mind. Send her go learn tailoring.
Yes, now.
6 years.
Yes, so.
Guy, you be man. No worry, shake me. You be man. You be man. You are a man. Nothing anybody want to you be man. So guys, he said he wants to present this thing to his girlfriend. This sewing machine to his girlfriend. Remember very well, the last time I did this thing, it did not end well. Are you promising me that this thing will end well? Please.
Why not?
You just talk with too much confidence. Now they vest me. Your confidence is just too loud.
The girl too love me.
Hey God, I don't die. Hey God, the girl too love you.
Sure now.
You believe her so she love you, Rich?
Yes, now.
You come pass this side. You know say I see man talk to a man to man. I for advise me you know give her this thing. We gotta buy her iPhone. Nowadays girls they like iPhone.
I don't buy her iPhone. No.
You don't buy iPhone before?
Yes, now.
Man we get doings. Baba you get doings. Get that doings. Your money long. You don't buy iPhone before?
No man now.
I'm speechless. Okay guys, let me not bore you guys with my talks and my boring talks. Let's move to the next part of this video. So what we'll do here is we'll go to a house, but not be a house. Go anywhere where camera feed the video are. Okay. Then in fact, we just need to mount camera. Say we don't buy, we just hide the camera for coded. Okay. Then you call her come outside. She can collect her gift.
Okay, no wala.
I just hope.
I should go take her now.
No problem, guys. See you guys after now. So guys, we've called her. What's her name again?
Amaka.
Hey God, this name. Anytime I remember this name, I feel like say something bad wants to happen. Hey God. I'm sorry to say that.
Why you fear?
I the fear.
Not the fear.
No, I the fear. I don't do prank for a very. I don't say you don't look the camera just now. Don't look at me again. Make she no go catch us. Don't look at that camera again. See,
I look at.
I the fear. You know why?
Why?
Because I don't do prank for a very long time, and I don't see plenty things happen. Guy, waiting my eye don't see for this prank. You get something they can give girl. If you just want to give your girl gifts, you buy a phone for her. Or buy a wig. Brazilian with on.
But I don't buy an iPhone now.
Oh yeah, buy a wig. Not be sewing machine. These sewing machines they don't enter. Many of them they discourage you. Thank God so we don't call her. She say she they come.
Yeah.
Thank God so you even decide to use this kind of place. You get me so? Go use somewhere where we say nobody go to mine no go to go. More dynamic as more no do am near her house at all. Okay. Now say she don't come outside. So more they all the wait. Sit down, more they wait when she come.
Big boss off now.
Why you ask us to meet here now? Which kind of place is this? What's up?
Good afternoon.
What is this one?
I'm my guy.
Afana. What's up? What's the name?
Amaka.
Amaka. Okay. I deal on some kind of home accessories and some other things.
Wow.
And I sell some stuff. So your guy met me and he said I wanted to surprise you. His girlfriend. And he said that you just finished your tailoring school, right?
Yes.
You just graduated. So he said that he wants to surprise you with something that you would like. So I opted that. He said he wanted to give you a phone. I said he would have loved to give you a phone. I said you have already gotten.
Yes, he already gave me.
He gave you a phone already.
Yes.
And the last time he paid your school fees already too. So there was no need. There was nothing new. He did try for her.
Yes, so he's trying.
So I was thinking if you would prefer probably something that was related to your job. That's why I came up with this perfect idea.
What is that?
It's something you would like.
Don't you remember, babe?
You. Well, let's not say anything much. This. So your boyfriend said that you just finished tailoring.
Are you not happy, babe?
No, actually, we thought she didn't happy now. She just like off her face. That's what her face did.
Now, wow. Buy you machine the squeeze face. What did happen?
I know they squeeze face, but I don't understand.
The machine not fine.
Jeez. When are they give me this?
This is the gift.
No, now why are you standing as if you don't like it? Wait. Keep her for your back. See, come.
Come now.
Come. I'm sorry if I may have offended you in the way I presented it to you.
Okay.
And maybe because I put it on the ground. So let me give you officially. From your boyfriend that bought it from my store, this is your gift.
Hey, you should be smiling now.
If that thing enter my hand, I go use and hit you.
What are you saying now?
So what are you doing now, babe?
Wait. No, leave me.
What are you saying?
Wait. Hey, Jesus Christ. Wait. Don't come near me. Shift.
What is the problem?
I said shift first. Just shift. Don't go back. Go back.
Yeah, shift. What's the problem? I've shifted already.
Wait. After I spent 1 year and I did my house jejely. I did my house. Now you say I go learn tailoring.
Okay.
After everything, after 1 year plus.
What are you saying now?
Now this machine you give me.
Okay, wait.
I bought the machine, now you are complaining.
Just take now.
Collect the machine.
So where they buy this machine? No, you don't see
collect the machine.
Just take now.
I go buy the machine, they complain.
No try me.
Collect
No try me.
You just take.
Not keep back. Just keep am there. Keep am there.
When you free, so you get machine with
Keep am where you keep am there. Just keep am there. Keep am.
What is the problem?
So where they buy this machine? No see industrial machine there.
I go buy industrial machine.
So why you just like
Wait.
stress?
Hello. Can I talk to you?
You don't do your part now. You
See,
don't.
can we pass this?
I don't even understand this girl.
Wait, more no blast will come off for you with it before. Come, fine girl, come now. I'm sorry, just come. Wait. Your boyfriend bought this machine for you, and you don't want it. What you want is an industrial machine, right? Abi, let me get the point.
That's what we talk about.
That's what you guys talked about.
Yes.
But he's saying that this is what he has to offer to you. Why don't you just take this one? Yes, what you other things? He paid your
I cannot take this one. I cannot take it.
Why can't you take this one?
I cannot take it because I don't like stress.
You don't like
What
stress?
is wrong with industrial machine?
Oh,
I don't like it.
So this one is stress.
Yes, it's stress.
This one is
It's
stress. But some people,
See, wait, babe, you just collect this thing.
Why are you complaining now? Take this machine.
Jesus!
I'll do your worst.
Huh?
Go back, calm down. Hey, calm down. Hey, Oga, calm down.
This girl, they tempt me.
Wait.
You want to beat me?
Well, calm down now. Calm down.
Give me my iPhone.
Wait.
Give me my iPhone.
Wait. Calm down. Baba, you calm down now. You.
Wait. I know this vex.
Baba, you calm down. Wait.
See, give me my iPhone now.
Wait.
Relax.
I dey hear you, Baba.
I buy this idiot.
Wait,
iPhone. She didn't.
Wait.
Your pal fit buy machine.
Hey, God, I beg. No go apart for this matter. Wait.
Eh?
Baba, you calm down. Wait.
Give me my iPhone.
Wait.
Give me my iPhone.
Sorry.
Give me my iPhone. This girl
Come.
is stupid girl.
Sorry.
Give her the iPhone. Where the iPhone?
No.
You bring the iPhone. Bring the iPhone.
Collect your iPhone.
Sorry.
Leave it.
Collect your iPhone. Very good.
I beg now.
Come for you.
Wait, bro. Come, never go. Come here.
Sorry now.
Come now,
See, I
come.
beg you.
Baba, come.
Leave me.
Just confess, eh? Come now. Confess.
Carry my money, buy iPhone, they mumu.
Confess.
Buy you machine, they.
Wait, come now,
Sorry
come.
now.
But do this. Don't worry.
No mind me. I just dey play.
They come for
Baba,
me,
wait.
they give you. If you are a better person, Abi.
Sorry, I beg now.
Why you dey beg me now?
Where the phone now? I beg.
Eh?
Come now.
Wait. Wait,
Now
calm
the
down.
iPhone be the relationship.
I beg
But you wait,
now.
nah.
Abi?
God have mercy. See, eh?
No wahala. I don't
Yeah.
see your true color.
No,
Yeah, wait,
no,
wait,
be
bro.
like that now. No be
I
like
won't
that.
do it now.
Oh, you come up for here now. Come up for here, I beg.
Mo dey go.
Where they go?
Oh yeah, mo dey
Leave
go.
me now, this girl.
Yeah, mo dey go. Carry on sewing machine.
I beg now.
Take.
No,
Wait, wait.
no, go.
If you stay me if I beat
No go
you,
wound yourself. No go wound yourself.
Don't stay me.
Yeah, leave am for me. Leave am for me. Leave am for me.
No do like this now.